Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, I've just been busy with work, so I apologise for that, but we're back. And we're back because I've got another car, another project to do. So the car's just arrived. I'm seeing this for the first time just like you guys, so we're going to have a look around it. Let's see what we think. So it's another Audi. This time it's an Audi A3 S-Line. It's a 2013 with the 1.6 diesel engine. It's only 105 horse brake horse version, but that does mean it's free road tax, so that's a good selling point for when it's repaired and ready to go. So the obvious damage is the front. Obviously I knew this before I bought it. I didn't go and view the car, so it was up Newcastle. I had a courier bring and deliver it down for me. So it's front end damage. Obviously this wing's took a bit of a hit. The bonnet is knackered. It's been bent over as well. So the bonnet's trashed. It is a Cat N, so there's no chassis damage. Chassis legs are straight. But all the radiator support's not there by the looks of it, no radiator. There is a pile of stuff in the boot that we're going to go through, so I'm guessing it's probably all going to be in there. There's an headlight gone, there is one headlight there. We'll have a look at that and that's well in a minute, but we'll look around the car first. So bonnet, bumper. This wing doesn't look too bad. Well, there's a bit damage there. And obviously where the bonnet's sat on it, but it's all damaged there and there. So probably both front wings. Lots of it. This side looks okay. Door looks fine. Rear quarter looks fine. The wheels don't look in great condition. There's some curbing. What's tyre like? Tyre's pretty much on its limit as well, so I'm going to want a tyre. But the discs look new. And the pads as well, so perhaps it's got new discs and pads on front. They'll clean up with a bit of use, so yeah, this side looks all good. And this wheel, what the hell? They've been sandpapering the wheel. Well, that's knackered. So it's going to want at least one new wheel. Rear disc again, it's pretty practically new. Pads aren't on the back. Pads look about half worn. So that's the back of the car. Doesn't appear to be any damage on the back. It has been debadged, and that door looks fine. They've been sandpapering this wheel as well, and that tyre's on its limits. Discs and pads have been changed on front, so that's good. Hello. The rear disc as well look good. Is that? Oh, there's a bit of a. Is that a bit of a dent? Yeah. Oh, there's a bit of a dent there. Well, it looks like I might be able to get that pulled out. So yeah, it's pretty much just the front end then. So yeah, both wings, bonnet, at least one headlight, all already sport radiator, and anything else that's missing in there. Bumper, the big grille obviously. So we'll have a look. We'll have a look at all these bits in the back. So you can see the bumper there, and there's a pile of stuff in there. So I've got the key here in the pocket. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, there's a pile of stuff in there. There we go, that's all the bits from it. So you can see straight away the centre grille for the front is in 2 bits, so that's absolute scrap. That appears to be half of the radiator support, so we're going to need a complete radiator assembly, all the radiators and stuff. The fan looks fine, so you use that fan. Arch liner looks good. Cover for the engine looks fine. Passenger headlights absolutely smashed to bits, so we need to find an headlight. Yeah, it's snapped off at the top. Both top edges are snapped off. The grills look fine though. What the hell's that? Oh, it's got light tints on it. So yeah, we can reuse the grills. These lower grills. The rest of the bumper's scrap. That's the front piece of the under tray that can be reused. This vehicle was listed as run and drive. Let's have a look under the bonnet. Airbag smashed. Box smashed. Lights heater, but the tabs are broken off. If I can find them tabs, I could probably I don't know actually, it's a bit don't know, could possibly probably needs 2 headlights then. Can't really see anything else missing under here. But yeah, it is listed as a run and drive. So we'll my washer bottle's got a hole in it. The list is getting a bit big now for this car. Let's have a look inside. I think. Where's the kick? Right there. So just like the TT, we've got dashboard airbags gone, steering wheel airbags gone. Let's look at these seats. Nice line, nice seats, very nice. Oh. So yeah, 2013. What we got? We got aircon. What else have we got in here? Oh. Radio works. Let's look. Oh. That all works. Screen. What's all this do? It's got drive select, dynamic, individual, efficiency, comfort, auto. I don't know what's standard and what's optional on these cars. But yeah, it's down as a run and drive, so let's see what happens. Oh. again. Oh, there we go. See, it runs. Sounds alright. Got a full tank of fuel. It's always a bonus. 6-speed manual. See if it tries to drive. Yeah. Can't run it. Obviously, it's got no radiator on there, so we'll turn it back off. If there's anything else to talk about in here. Cut the airbags out. Seat belts. It's in the Audi. The other TT, the seat belts had fired, hadn't they? Oh, let's have a look. Driver seems okay. Both rears are fine. Oh, passenger seat belts fired solid. So perhaps one seat belt. So yeah, there we are. So looking at bonnet bumper lights, radiator aircon rad, radiator support, both wings, dashboard, steering wheel airbag, possibly a set of alloys, washer bottle, a few bits and pieces, airbox. So yeah, the main thing is it runs and drives, so that's good. We know all that's okay. The rest of it's just cosmetics really. So yeah, I'm reasonably happy with it. It's 63,000 on it, which isn't bad mileage. It's got service history with it as well. 2 keys. I think it'll be alright. Yeah. So I have to go off and try and find some bits now. See what I can find, and we'll get on with it. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy these videos. I'm going to try to be a bit more consistent with my uploads now, and you know, once this is finished, get another one and just, you know, keep going with it. But I do need subscribers, so please do subscribe. It does mean a lot. You know, YouTube kind of ignore the little channels until you get a certain amount of subscribers, and they start to advertise you and push you a little bit, and that's how you grow then. So please do push that little button at the bottom right hand corner of the screen, I think. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers.